Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michelle. Today we have a review video. I'm going to be reviewing my Dior saddle bag. I've had this bag for about a year now and I think it's about time to do a review on it. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. As I said, I have had this bag for a year now. So this is how the bag comes. It's a grainy leather, so it could be seen as quite durable. You have the Christian Dior branding on the side. This is a CD on here and then another one on the other side. You have a D for Dior at the bottom here. It has a magnetic closure, so this is the noise that it makes. You open it like so. It's completely black. Yeah, of course. There's something in there because I use the bag. So makeup, and what else is in there because I can hear it making noise. I'm just gonna empty that. So this is how the bag looks. The interior is made of suede. You have a pocket with a zip. So if you want to protect whatever item you want to put in there, maybe your card, maybe tickets, whatever it is that you don't want anyone to have direct access to, you can do that. And also at the back there is another pocket. I mainly use this pocket to put my phone because it's just easier when I have the bag on my shoulder. I just have an easy reach. Of course there's something in there. It's an easy reach when I put my phone in there. So yes, great bag. Let's go with the pros and cons. The first pro of this bag, as I mentioned before, is that it has a grainy leather. So it's not a soft leather, just like the Jacquemus Le Grand Bambino bag that I reviewed not too long ago. Grainy leather, very durable. I don't have to worry too much about this bag. You know, if it bangs against doors or whatever the case may be, I'm not too worried about it. I don't have to baby it. I don't have too much wear and tear, but I do see two, they're not quite dense, they look like scratches or something like that, like at the back of the bag. There's one here and there's another one here. I'm not too sure if you can see that, but as I said, I've had the bag for a year and a half and it's quite impressive that I don't have much wear and tear. The second pro of this bag is that you can wear it during the day and you can wear it at night. I wear it with casual outfits and I also wear it, you know, with like during dinner dates or whatever with a really nice outfit. So I could wear it today, but I can also, you know, wear jeans and a normal t-shirt and also take this bag. It's quite understated, which I like, but it can also be made up to look, you know, nicer at night for dinner dates or whatever it is that you do at night and you want to look nice. I really like this bag and I like how versatile it is. As I said, there's two pockets, so you have the main pocket in the middle. It has two different compartments. I'm not too sure if that makes sense. So you see how the bag is separated here in the middle. So if I was to put my hand inside, there you can see my hand is at the back there. And then I can also decide to put it on the other side. So if you wanted, let's say, to put a few coins, they would go, you know, on one side and they won't have access to the other unless you were to put your bag upside down. So that's quite cool. I usually use those little compartments to put whether it's a lip gloss or anything like that I don't like, that I just want it to be, you know, secured and I know exactly where it is when I reach inside my bag. So that could be a pro or a con for some people because I'm sure if you're trying to put large items in this bag, it's a little bit tricky. Still, on the fact that the bag is quite versatile, I like the fact that you can also buy a strap. This is a guitar strap to wear it with the bag, and usually this item makes the bag a little bit more casual. It makes it as a crossbody. I really like this item. Initially when I went to buy the bag, I was only looking at this bag, but it wasn't exactly this one. It was the one that was completely black and matte because I was trying to be discreet and I was thinking that, you know, I don't want something too flashy. and all that. But then I saw this one and I really liked it, and I was thinking it's going to go really nicely with, you know, if you're wearing gold jewelry or certain accents of gold. So that's it's adding a little bit of oomph, right? So, and then they made me try the strap, and that was the strap. They made me try the strap and I really enjoyed it. They have different colors for the straps. You can get brown ones, you can get, you know, I think they have some type of red, and I think you have like a black and green. There's a bunch of different colors, so you just go on the website, have a look at what, you know, you're into and see. Personally, I was going for the darkest color because I want the most discreet item. Sorry, I got distracted there. The darkest color because I want the most discreet item. This is the darkest one that they had. I thought that maybe they would have had a black on black, which maybe for some people it doesn't make sense, but I do like branding black on black, right? So this is the best that I could do. It's a blue color and then it's on black, and then the other side looks like this. But to be honest with you, of course, they will ring the bell when I'm doing the video. I'll be back. And I'm back. So I forgot what I was saying. So yes, I was looking for black on black. I couldn't get the black on black. I never wear the bag on this side because of course I'm out of breath because I've been running up and down the stairs. So yes, I never wear it on this side because I think it's a bit flashy for me. So it's only this side. Usually I wear it like this, you know, and then if I have long hair, usually I'm able to hide it so you won't be able to see too much, which I like. It's quite discreet as far as I'm concerned. So now I'm going to move on to the cons. And since we're talking about the strap, I'm going to bring up a con that's about the strap. The first thing is, if the bag is already expensive on its own, right? So if you add the strap, it makes the bag even more expensive. But I don't mind because it's quite versatile. I like I like the fact that I can wear it in 2 different ways. So it kind of makes me wear the bag even more, whether I was wearing casual outfits or whether I was wearing very nice outfits. It gives me even more choices when it comes to whatever it is that I want to wear or the style that I want to have on a specific day. But yes, it's something to mention that the bag would cost you way more money if you were to buy both of them at the same time. So something to think about. Maybe you can start with just buying the bag and then decide later on if you want the strap. I decided to get the strap because I wanted to have more choices, but also because I'm also looking at the Bobby bag, the blue one. The blue one is the one that I like the most, and I think that I would be able to wear this strap with that bag, if that makes sense. So just do whatever it is that works best for you. If having the strap is not something that you're into, don't feel like you have to buy it because you can wear the bag without the strap. Okay, so just something to think about. The second con about this bag is that some people don't like the shape. I personally don't mind, but it's something to think about. Some people think that it looks like a liver. Some people, you know, just don't like the shape. So when you try to fit things into this bag, personally, again, why this bag works for me is the fact that I can fit in all my essentials. The bag makes sense for me. What I use usually as essentials are, you know, my card holder, a lipstick or some type of lip product, maybe a powder, pressing powder, what else, hand sanitizer, and my keys. And then I have my phone. Sorry, there's a fox going around. I get distracted every time I see it through the window, but anyway, don't pay attention to me. Where was I? Yes, the size of the bag. It makes sense for me. My essential fit in there, but some people like more, you know, to have way more items with them. So you have to think about, would this bag work for you? Would you have a card holder or do you have a full-size wallet? I do believe that a full size wallet would be able to fit in there, but you have to make, you know, the decision to buy things that work for you. One thing that I would say though, if you have one of those items, or if you are concerned about getting a certain bag, it's always to go into the shop and try the bag yourself. Yes, you can buy online later on, you can do whatever it is that you want, but personally, I like the fact that, you know, you can go into the store, you can touch the different leathers. You know, I may say that the granny leather works for me. You might buy the granny leather and then think, oh, I don't like it, it's a bit hard and it doesn't work for me, right? So always go into the shops, ask them for the different styles of bags that they have. Try, you know, the big size or small size, whatever it is that you want to try, and then decide if the bag works for you. They can even let you put your wallet inside just to see, you know, if the bag works for you. So don't hesitate to do that, because if you're going to spend so much money on an item, you may as well try it and make sure that, you know, the bag or whatever item works for you. Okay, so the second, the con was that the bag has kind of like an odd shape, so it might not be able to fit all your essentials, but it fits mine, so I'm happy with it. Okay, the last con is when you decide to put the strap on it, depending on where you put the strap, the bag might look a bit weird. So usually, personally, I like to put the strap right here in between the C and the D, but it doesn't always work fine. So that's something to think about. Just, you know, play around with it, see whatever, you know, style works best for you, and, you know, and works best for your outfit that day. So then the bag ends up looking like this, right? I don't personally like it. I saw a few people do this trick online and I just started doing it too. So what I do is whatever it is that I put inside my bag, I do that in there, and then I add the strap as well, and then I just close it that way. Okay, sorry. And then I just close it, and this is how it looks for me. So depending on what you do here, you know, the C and the D might not be as straightforward as they were before, but you can always, you know, move around the strap to make it look however you want it to look, if that makes sense. So yeah, that could be a con. That could be a con for some people, because, you know, they just want the straightforward thing, something that looks nice whether the strap is on and whether the strap is not on. I do believe that, you know, it's kind of like a mini flaw, because when they created this bag initially, I don't think that they were thinking of having a strap on it, but then it ended up working with a strap as well. So I think it was an afterthought, but it still works for me. I don't mind it too much. You know, usually when I wear the strap, it's when I want to have the bag as a crossbody bag. It goes at the back, you know, I wear it in the back, or sometimes I wear it in the front, you know, so I can just have easy access. So that is it for me. Those are all the cons that I could think about. So think about it. You know, if you are considering getting this bag, personally, I am very pleased with the bag. I like the fact that it didn't age too much since I got it. One other con is also that because the leather is quite strong, I would say, if I put an item in there, I have had a hand cream that I had in there that had a funny shape, and then I put it at the bottom here. It was in one of the compartments, and then it stayed in there for probably weeks, and I didn't take it out. And then when I took it out of my bag, it had a mini dent around this area, which kind of bothered me, but now it's all gone. Once that as soon as I removed it, and then it stayed like that for a bit, and then it went back to the normal shape, as you can see. So that's something to think about. You know, don't leave huge items that have weird shapes inside the bag for a long period of time, because your bag might change shape. But other than that, easy bag to take care of. You know, if it was to rain, I don't have an issue with it. I can just wipe it off, you know. It's not like soft leather that you need to baby, you know. And yeah, so it works for me. So if you're thinking about getting the bag, again, don't forget to go into the shops or the stores and try it on for yourself. Touch the different leathers that they have and then choose accordingly. They also have different colors. I believe that there's a dark red, Bordeaux type of color. There's a blue one, and I think they have, you know, the canvas one, the ones with the monogram as well, that are made of cloth. So, you know, depending on what it is that you are into, just go into the shops, try it on, and then they have the mini ones. Those are not an option for me because I don't think I would be able to fit that much into it, except if I was just buying it as an accessory, you know, for dinner dates. If I just wanted something very small where I can put my card inside and maybe a lip gloss, and that's it. But again, I can't judge because I don't have the bag. So I'm sure there's some people that use it on a regular basis and it works for them. Otherwise, it wouldn't be selling. But yeah, so that's about it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was instructive for you. If you have any questions, don't forget to put it in the comment section. I would be answering those questions for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, it doesn't cost you anything. If you really like the video, you can even go a step further and just share it with your friends. You know, if you know someone that might be interested in buying the bag and there's a little bit on the fence about it, you can just share this video. I have an unboxing video as well. I'm going to link it at the top if you want to see the bag in details. So yeah, so that's about it for me. I hope to see you in my next one, and I wish you a very pleasant day. Bye.